Hi, I am Vinod and you are watching Indian Military Updates. And today we will talk about INS Karanj. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to keep yourself updated. So, stealth submarine INS Karanj is commissioned by Indian Navy at the Naval Dockyard, Mumbai. It is the third Calvary class submarine after INS Calvary and INS Khanderi. Admiral V.S. Shekhawat, retired former Chief of the Naval Staff, who was part of the commissioning crew of the old Karanj and later the commanding officer during the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War, was the chief guest for this ceremony. This year is being celebrated as the Swarnim Vijay Varsh, which marks 50 years of 1971 Indo-Pakistani War. Old INS Karanj, commissioned on 4 September 1969 at Riga in the erstwhile USSR, also took active part in that conflict. Calvary class is the second Scorpene class which is manufactured in India under transfer of technology. Scorpene is an advanced French origin diesel electric submarine developed by DSNS and Navantia but now managed by Naval Group. It was developed to replace Agosta class. Just for your information, Pakistan operates Agosta class submarines. The Scorpene class has around 1600 tons of displacement and while submerged can run at a speed of 20 knots per hour. France offers MESMA air independent propulsion for customers which provides an endurance of 21 days. This was developed just for export only as France doesn't operate conventionally powered submarine and relies upon nuclear powered one. It has 6 torpedo tubes for 533mm torpedoes. Besides, SM-39 cruise missile can be fired from this platform as well as for air defense, Mika missile can be used. Currently, 4 nations around the world are operating this platform: Chile, Malaysia, India and Brazil. Brazilian platforms are little larger than what other nations operate. Calvary class is an Indian customized version being operated by Indian Navy and manufactured by Mazagon Dock Limited under transfer of technology under Project 75. Total 6 platforms will be developed which will gradually replace Sindhu Ghosh and Sisumar class subs. It has a displacement of near 1800 tons while submerged. It has a range of 12,000 km and endurance of 50 days. While it is currently not equipped with any AIP, that means air independent propulsion, soon it will be equipped with indigenously developed AIP. Don't forget, I am bringing a video on AIP soon. In future, along with a new generation French torpedoes, it will be equipped with indigenous heavy torpedo as well. Along with SM-39, the biggest game changer in this sector will be BrahMos M, which will be enable it to fire supersonic cruise missile through the torpedo tube. INS Calvary was the first ship of class which was commissioned in 2017. 2 more boats are inducted: INS Khanderi and INS Karanj. After that, 3 more boats are coming: INS Vela, INS Vagir and INS Vakshir. By the way, in case you don't know, Calvary class also were the first submarine Indian Navy inducted. Those were Foxtrot class of Soviet Union. And after the completion of P-75, India will concentrate on more advanced P-75 India project. One more trivia for you. As you know, the Foxtrot class submarines were inducted into Indian Navy as Calvary class. The upgraded Foxtrot class were termed as Vela class into Indian Navy. But here, both the Vela and Calvary are known as Calvary class and falls under P-75 project. Along with 6 Calvary class submarine, future 6 P-75 I class submarine, India will concentrate on 6 nuclear powered attack submarine as well. So, India's submarine fleet is growing as well as India's underwater combat strength is increasing by many folds. Hope you have enjoyed the video, so like it, provide your opinion in the comment section and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. I shall meet you with a new subject in a new day. Till then, goodbye and Jai Hind.